In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate a recurring monthly report in Genspark. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, repeatable workflow that turns your monthly data into a consistent, polished report with minimal effort. Let's start by opening Genspark and signing into your account. Make sure you're using the workspace where your reporting assets live so you can access the right files and permissions. If your organization uses multiple workspaces, double check you're in the one tied to your monthly reporting. Next, head to Sheets or the Automation Workflow area. Sheets is ideal if your data lives in spreadsheets and you want a familiar grid view. The Automation Workflow area is best when you're chaining steps together, like ingesting data, transforming it, and generating a report all in one flow. Either route works. Pick the spot that matches how you typically manage your month-end inputs. Now upload your data source or connect the report inputs you use each month. This might be a spreadsheet, a database connection, or a folder in cloud storage. Keep file names and column headers consistent from month to month. It helps the workflow reliably find and map fields. Confirm your date columns are properly formatted, and if you track categories, ensure the labels are standardized to avoid mismatches later. With your inputs in place, ask Genspark to generate a recurring monthly report from that data. Be explicit about the time frame, frequency, and key metrics. For example, specify that the report should cover the previous calendar month, include totals and month-over-month changes, and highlight any exceptions. If Genspark offers a recurrence option in the prompt or settings, turn it on so it runs monthly without extra clicks. Set the report structure so the same summary format is used each time. Define the sections you want, such as an executive summary, key metrics, trend charts, and a notes area. Lock in headings, chart types, and filters so the report looks and reads the same every month. Clear structure makes it easy for stakeholders to compare results over time. Review the generated report and make any needed adjustments. Cross-check numbers against your source, refine labels, fix units, and adjust rounding. If visuals feel cluttered, simplify them now. Save your changes so the template carries forward. Finally, reuse the workflow each month to automate the reporting process. As long as your inputs follow the same format, you'll only need to refresh data and let Genspark run. If your schema changes, update the mapping once and you'll stay on track. Consistency is the key to reliable automated reporting.